If you're looking for acreage and affordability land in Colorado to build or make it as a getaway, so this is a 5.8 acres of land. It's a great fit. It's near a creek. So this is the picture of the land itself. On the road is a dirt road, and then the neighborhood looks like this. And you will have a good mountain views. So this property's location is here. So this area is called Hartsel. It's in Park County of Colorado. So it's like the heart of the Colorado, and it's like a 1 hour to Cripple Creek. So another beautiful city in Colorado, and then 2 hours drive to Colorado Springs. Okay, so it's pretty affordable, but still close to a lot of fun area like Vista, a lot of national forests and lakes. So these are, I think that's 11 Lake George, 11 miles reservoir. So there's no HOA. You can see some lake here. There might be an 11-mile reservoir, pretty close, and you can get a really nice open mountain view here. And then elevation is not too bad. It's around, let me see, hold on. The elevation is around 9,500 feet. Okay, let's drag this little person here. See, someone already built their house here. And you can see it's pretty flat. I might go to other people's lot. See, okay. It's just a piece of a normal property on the road. It's easy to access, and then nothing wrong with the property. It's just affordable, and we have seller financing plans. You could contact cheaplandfarm.com for the pricing. And this property, the good part of this property is it has a signed physical address already. So that's the creek here. And there has a lot of outdoor activities in this area. If you like, fishing, camping, you have easy access to everything you want. So the yearly access is only like somewhere like $80. For utility, you're just using off-grid type of utility. Like again, a tiny house is okay as long as you have a permanent foundation and meet other building code. There's no size limitation. Like you just have some setbacks, but doesn't matter. 400 square feet, 800 square feet, your foundation needs to be permanent. So again, no HOAs, easy zoning code, zone for residential use. Make a trip to visit this property, and then all the information is on our website, cheaplandfarm.com, so it's not hard to find. Here is the site address, 401 is here. Driving direction is all there. Okay, any other questions? You can call us here, or simply just have an inquiry page here, write your question. This is Bay with cheaplandfarm.com. Thank you so much for watching.